Have you ever had something whereby it turns out to be somehow good? I guess this might be a good hair trimmer. The combo clipper of this hair trimmer, it was rated 11,000 RPMs, and it wasn't 11,000 RPMs. It was a brushless motor, and it was, I guess, 7,200 or 7,000 RPMs. And this one, it's written got 7,500 RPMs. So, but somehow it's a brushless motor, and it's not written here. So stay tuned, man. All right. Yo, this is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this brand new hair trimmer from Kemei. We got the hair clipper already, and it's a brushless motor. Some people said it's good. For me, I guess it's good. I haven't tried it, but I tried other ones that looks like, it's somehow the same, So it was good, and now we got the hair trimmer, and this is the Kemei with the model number KM90-5. So I don't know why they write it like that. And got 7,500 RPMs, charging time 2.5 hours, operating time 300 minutes, which is good. And got 2,000 milliamp battery. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, so what else? Nothing else. Yeah, nothing else. And it's not written here. It's got a brushless motor or something like that, But I'm gonna make a tear down so you can see by yourself if it's a brushless motor or not, So, yeah, looks like this. Okay. The back side. So, nothing else. So, let's open. Yeah, this is it. The manual. Got combs, and it comes with a charging dock, which is good. Yeah, a small, oil, and a charging cable. I guess that's it. Okay, nothing else. Oh. And Uppsala. This is the hair trimmer. Not bad looking. It looks like what's the name again? Looks like a saber hair trimmer from Stylecraft. This is metal and this is plastic. 2 ways of charging, USB-C and the normal charging ways. Okay, and the back, the grooves is not bad. This one doesn't have a lot of grooves like that, but this one does. It's not bad. Feels light. And here, you can remove it and clean your hair trimmer. It's a magnet. And you can zero gap this hair trimmer. I mean, you can set it the way you want it. This is the blade, as you can see. And this blade is not sharp enough. That's my opinion. Other people might find it okay, but for me it's not sharp enough. When I turn this hair trimmer on, it doesn't sound like a brushless motor, but when I made a tear down, I was surprised it's somehow a brushless motor. I don't know if maybe they make a new motor that looks like a brushless motor, whereby it's not a brushless motor. I don't know. If you know, kindly leave your comment in the comment section below, because when I opened it, it was a brushless motor, but the sound when I turn it on, it's not a brushless motor. So I don't really understand. let's make a sound check. And this is a saber trimmer. It's a brushless motor. So this one, I don't know. Sound check. You can hear how it sounds. And this one, you hear that? For me, it doesn't sound like a brushless motor, but it's a brushless motor. And it's more quieter when you put this blade on this one. Okay, so now let's change the blade and see. I'm gonna change the blade very fast. So as you can see, you don't need any mod for this. It fits perfect. Okay. Sound check. Makes me so loud.